The Tom Muehlenbeck Recreation Center officially reopened Thursday, December 4th with a ribbon cutting attended by dignitaries, including former City Manager Tom Muehlenbeck himself. The event marks the end of an 11-month renovation funded by Plano voters through the 2021 Bonds Program. The center, which first opened in 2007 and serves about 500,000 visitors each year, received proactive upgrades that modernized plumbing and roofing, refreshed courts and pools, and expanded family changing rooms. The project kept the familiar layout while adding new and updated features.
The core bones of the building is pretty much how it was. We added 3 new pickleball courts. That'll be a hit. We do have a beautiful mural. We have new track surface, new pool play structures for the kiddie pools in both the indoor pool and the outdoor pool. We have a new drop slide in the lap pool.
Within minutes of the grand reopening, patrons were swimming in the pool, hitting the track, and shooting hoops on the new basketball court. Look on the back wall and you'll see a new mural.
The mural actually had a pretty extensive selection process. Steffi Lynn is the artist of this mural. She's based out of Austin, and we worked with her for a number of months dialing in what the design would be to make sure that we included a lot of elements of sport and play and fun that we are in Plano, as well as some native plants, and kind of represent what Plano is to us.
With the doors open again, staff say they are ready to serve the community.
We're glad to be back. We're looking forward to being back open and serving our patrons.